Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn numbers. Kids colors name: red color, yellow color, blue color, black color, green color, white color. Kids eye coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1 and use red color. The numbers of 1, O and E1. Kids again use red color and draw 2, T W 2. Kids night 3 and again use red color, T H R W 3. 4, F O U R 4. Kids again use red color and draw 5. The numbers of 5, F I V E 5. Kids night 6. The numbers of 6 and use yellow color, S I X 6. Kids again use yellow color and draw 7, S E V E and 7. Kids again use yellow color and draw 8, E I G H T 8. Kids night 9 and use yellow color. The numbers of 9. Kids again use yellow color and draw 10, T E and 10. The numbers of 10. Kids night 11. The numbers of 11 and use blue color, 12. The numbers of 12. Kids again use blue color and draw 13. The numbers of 13. Kids night 14 and again use blue color, 15. The numbers of 15. Kids night 16. The numbers of 16 and use black color, 17. The numbers of 17. Kids again use black color and draw 18. The numbers of 18. Kids night 19. The numbers of 19. Kids again use black color and last reader 20. The numbers of 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.